A few days had passed since Mr. Whiskers became a father. But sleep, peace, a normal life, forget about it. Mr. Whiskers jolted awake. His ears twitched. A terrifying noise was coming from the living room. When he got there, he saw, oh my God, the place was a disaster.
Why did I become a dad?
Mr. Whiskers thought he could have a peaceful day at the supermarket. Just grab a few essentials and head home. Easy, right? But he forgot one tiny detail. He brought the kittens.
Oh my God. I am never shopping again, ever.
After a long, exhausting day, Mr. Whiskers decided to cook a nice dinner. But the kittens, they had other plans.
So, I guess we're not eating tonight.
Finally, Mr. Whiskers got the kittens to calm down. It was playtime in the backyard. Everything was perfect until...
At least we're still alive.
Phew you. What a day. If you enjoyed this chaos, imagine what's coming next. Will Mr. Whiskers ever catch a break? Probably not. So hit that like button if you love adorable disasters. And subscribe because trust me, you don't want to miss what these little troublemakers do next. See you in the next adventure.